So I'm going to be giving you guys a quick tip on how to use voice typing on the OnePlus Nord N30. Now this is very useful because if you're driving in the car or doing something where it's hard to type, it actually works really well on this phone. So I'm going to first open up the message app. We'll get a new conversation going. Now, when you have the keyboard pulled up, you're going to see a couple different options with these little microphone logos. Now, the one you want to click on is the one that's going to be underneath the text message option, and then it's gonna ask you for access for your phone. Just click yes, and I'm just going to type something in here. We're just going to go with hello, what is up? Okay, and that is it, guys. It's really that easy. Of course, I also want to point out that you guys can get on our Tech newsletter where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we will see y'all in the next video.